Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss 3 questions of JEE Main held in 24 Jan. So let's start. In the first question, I am taking from determinants. And the question is, if A is a 3 cross 3 matrix such that determinant of A is equal to 2, then determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of A is equal to question mark. See, student, this question is totally formula based. I know that determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A whole power n minus 1 whole square. And this formula comes from determinant of adjoint of A, and which is determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1. See, if in determinant of adjoint A, it is determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1. Then I take determinant of adjoint A. Then it becomes determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1 whole square. See, in LHS, 2 adjoints are there, and in RHS, it is n minus 1 whole square, right? And if in LHS, inside determinant, there is one adjoint, then power of determinant of A is n minus 1. So if similarly I write determinant of adjoint A means inside determinant I am writing 3 adjoint, then it would be determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1 whole cube. So we can generalize this formula as determinant of adjoint of A, right? Means I am taking here n, not n, k adjoints. So there would be power n minus 1 whole to the power k, or you can say it is equal to determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1 to the power k, right? So we are asked in this question that determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of A means here 4 adjoints are there. So I will write this as determinant of A whole to the power n minus 1 to the power 4, and here n is 3 because order of A is 3. So 3 minus 1 whole to the power 4, and determinant of A is given in the question, which is 2. So 2 to the power 4 means 16, right? So answer is 2 to the power 16, right? Okay students, now let's move to next question, and the question I'm taking from vectors. And the question is, let A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. B vector is equal to 3i cap plus j cap minus k cap. And C vector is coplanar with A vector and B vector. Also, A dot C is equal to 5, and C vector is perpendicular to B vector. Then mod of C vector is equal to what? So as it is given that C vector is coplanar with A vector and B vector, so I can write C vector is equal to x times A vector plus y times B vector. So I am writing as C vector is coplanar with A vector and B vector. So I can write C vector as x times A vector plus y times B vector, right? Now, if I take dot product with C vector both sides, then it will become C dot C is equal to X A dot B plus Y B dot C. Now as B vector and C vector are perpendicular, it is given already in the question, so B dot C will become 0. So from here I can say that mod of C vector square is equal to 5x because A dot B is 5. So x becomes mod of C square by 5. Say this is 1. Also again I am taking dot product. Now this time I am taking with A vector. So C dot A is equal to x A dot A plus y A dot B or B dot A, right? Same thing. Now, so this will become C dot A again. This is 5. Sorry, I have written B. So this is C and A dot C is 5, right? So this is again 5 is equal to A dot A is mod A square and this is Y A dot B. And A dot B is what? This x times A, because A vector is given, so it will become root over 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, okay, means 1 plus 4 plus 9 whole square plus y times A dot B 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. So 1 into 3. So 3 plus 2 minus 3. Okay, this is 5. So 5 is equal to 14x plus 2y, right? 5 is equal to 14x. X is give x now. X I have found in terms of C from equation 1. So this will become 14 times mod C square by 5 plus 2y. Okay. Now say this is 2. Now again I'm taking dot product with P. So this will be C dot B is equal to x times A dot B plus y times mod B square, right? So B dot C is 0. This will become x times A dot B and x times A dot B is in x times 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus y times 9 plus 1 plus 1. So this is 2x plus 11y is equal to 0. Now x in terms of C and y in terms of C. So 2 into x, that is mod C square by 5 plus 11y by 25 minus 14 C square by 10 is equal to 0, right? This will be 4 times mod of C square plus 275 minus 14 into 11 times mod C square. 14 11 is 150. 154 mod of C square is equal to 0. Okay, so this will be 150 mod C square is equal to 275, or I can say mod C square is equal to 275 by 150, or 25 11s are 25 6. So mod C will become root over 11 by 6, and this is required mod C. So this question has been solved. Now let's move to next question, and question I am taking from limits. The question is, evaluate limit x tends to 0 cosec x times root over 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus root over cos square x plus sin x plus 4. So students, if question is given, if question is given in terms of limit, then what we do first, we should check what type of indeterminacy is involved. If indeterminacy is involved, then which type of indeterminacy is involved. So for this, we put limit inside expression. So if I do that thing, then it will become cosec 0 times root over 2 cos square 0 plus 3 cos 0 minus root over cos square 0 plus sin 0 plus 1. Now cosec 0 is infinity, and root over 2 plus 3 5, sorry, this is 4 not 1, 5 minus root over 1 plus 0 plus 4 5. So 5 minus 5, which is, sorry, root over 5 minus root over 5, which is 0. So it will become infinity into 0 form. So if form is infinity into 0, then I first make this form as 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. And for this purpose, I would take cosec x in denominator. So for this thing, cosec x becomes sin x. So the expression will change into root over 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus root over cos square x plus sin x plus 4 by sin x. Now this is the form of 0 by 0, right? Now if form is 0 by 0, then I can use LH rule. So using L'Hopital's rule, what will we have? 1 upon 2 root over 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x into 4 cos x minus sin x minus 3 sin x minus 1 upon 2 root over cos square x plus sin x plus 4 into 2 cos x to minus sin x plus cos x upon sin x will change to cos x. Now if I put the limit, then it will become 1 upon 2 root over 2 cos square 0 means 1 plus 3 cos 0, that is, sorry, 2 cos square 0, which is 2 plus 3 cos 0 3 times minus 4 cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, minus 3 into 0 minus 1 upon 2 root over cos square 0 is 1 plus sin 0 is 0 plus 4 times minus 2 into 1 into 0 plus 1 upon cos 0 is 1. Okay, so first term will become 0 minus 1 upon 2 root 5 into minus 2 plus 1 is, sorry, minus 0 plus 1 is 1 upon 1. So final answer is minus 1 upon 2 root 5, which is required limit. So students, let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.